Have you ever wondered why two people can earn the exact same salary, yet one builds wealth while the other lives paycheck to paycheck? It's tempting to think money is just about income, but if that were true, every doctor would be wealthy, every lottery winner would stay rich, and every millionaire would have started with a trust fund. They didn't. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Financial freedom isn't built by how much you earn. It's built by the decisions you repeat every single day. Today, we're uncovering the hidden patterns that quietly keep millions of people financially stuck. And the final one is so powerful that changing it could completely reshape your financial future. Let's begin. Point 1. Lifestyle inflation. Imagine getting a raise tomorrow. What would you buy first? A nicer apartment? A newer car? Maybe the latest phone? Here's the problem. For many people, income rises, but expenses rise just as fast. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of building wealth, every extra dollar gets spent. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. No matter how much water you pour in, it never fills. Here's something ironic. Sometimes the person driving a luxury car is under more financial pressure than the person driving a reliable 10-year-old sedan. Looks can be expensive. Wealth is often invisible. Pattern interrupt. If your paycheck disappears faster than your phone battery, we should probably talk. And that leads to an even bigger trap. Point 2. Buying status instead of assets. Modern marketing doesn't just sell products, it sells identities. People aren't told to buy shoes, they're told to buy confidence. They aren't sold watches, they're sold success. But wealthy people often ask a different question. Instead of, will this make me look rich? They ask, will this make me richer? That one question changes everything. Assets have the potential to generate value over time. Many purchases lose value the moment they're made. Imagine planting two seeds. One grows into a tree, the other turns into smoke. Both cost the same. Only one creates a future. Pattern interrupt. No. This doesn't mean you can never enjoy life. It simply means knowing the difference between spending for enjoyment and spending to impress strangers you'll probably never meet again. And speaking of the future, there's something even more dangerous than spending too much. Point 3. Waiting for the perfect time. I'll start investing when I make more. I'll save after my next promotion. I'll learn about money later. Later. Months become years. Years become decades. The biggest cost isn't making a mistake. It's waiting so long that time stops working for you. Money loves time. Every year you delay, you give up opportunities that can never be recovered. Successful people rarely have perfect timing. They simply start before they feel completely ready. And now, we've reached the habit that quietly influences all the others. Point 4. Investing in yourself first. The highest return investment isn't always in the stock market. Sometimes, it's in your own skills, learning to negotiate, communicate, sell, lead, solve difficult problems. These abilities can increase your earning potential for years. Think about it. Your income is often connected to the value you create. Improve your abilities, and you improve your opportunities. Books, courses, mentors, experience. These don't always pay you tomorrow, but they can pay you for decades. The people who build lasting wealth often see learning as an investment rather than an expense. And once you combine better habits, smarter spending, patience, and continuous learning, your financial life begins moving in a completely different direction. Here's what I hope you remember. Financial success isn't about pretending money doesn't matter. It's about making intentional choices consistently. Small decisions, repeated over time, can shape an entirely different future. Your future wealth isn't decided by one dramatic moment. It's built by today's habits. But there's one force we barely touched on today. It's the reason small investments can become surprisingly powerful over the years. So like, share, and subscribe if you want to become a millionaire.